Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to charge your T1S temperature smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and this is just a very quick tutorial guys. I'll be showing you on how to charge your T1S smartwatch. So all we have to do guys is we're going to remove this strap here. So as you can see, we have no pins there, so it means this is not the area where we are going to charge our watch. So it should be just below the home button. So as you can see, we have here the pins underneath, and all you have to do is you're going to get your mobile adapter or your power bank and just connect this one here. Alright, so as you can see guys, it is now working. It's pretty easy. Alright, so once again guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.